Hey everyone, and let me tell you, I am so excited to be your guide to the incredible city of Toronto. We're talking vibrant streets, delicious food from every corner of the globe, and a city that truly embraces its diversity. Now I know planning a trip can be a bit overwhelming. Where do you even start? That's why I'm here to spill all the tea, all the insider secrets, and all the must-do activities to make your Toronto adventure absolutely unforgettable. So buckle up, grab your poutine pants, just kidding, but maybe pack an extra pair, and get ready to fall in love with Toronto, eh? Okay, first things first, let's talk about getting around this magnificent city. Toronto's public transport system is like a well-oiled, gravy-covered machine. And the key to unlocking its full potential is the magical Presto Card. This little card is your golden ticket to riding the subways, streetcars, and buses, all for a fraction of the cost of taxis. Trust me, you don't want to be stuck hailing cabs when you can be zipping around like a local. Plus, you'll get to experience the city like a true Torontonian. So, do yourself a favor, grab a Presto Card the moment you arrive, load it up, and get ready to explore everything Toronto has to offer. Alright, let's talk about the big guy in the room, the iconic CN Tower. You can't come to Toronto and not pay a visit to this towering masterpiece. But, and this is a big but, you gotta be strategic about it. The CN Tower is popular, like really popular, so crowds are inevitable. But don't worry, I got you. Book your tickets online in advance, that's priority number one. Now, for the best experience, try to go early morning or right before sunset. You'll beat the crowds and get to witness the city bathed in the most magical light. Trust me, those panoramic views of Toronto are worth every penny and every minute you spend strategizing your visit. Listen, downtown Toronto is great and all, but the real heart and soul of this city lies in its diverse and vibrant neighborhoods. Each one has its own unique personality, just waiting to be discovered. First up, Kensington Market. This place is a feast for the senses. Vintage clothing stores, street food vendors, art galleries, it's a bohemian paradise. Next we have the Distillery District. Cobblestone streets, Victorian architecture, and some of the coolest boutiques and restaurants in the city. And of course, no trip to Toronto is complete without a stroll down Queen Street West. This is the place to be for trendy fashion, independent music venues, and some of the best people watching in the city. Craving a little escape from the urban jungle? Look no further than the Toronto Islands. Just a short ferry ride from downtown, and you'll feel like you've stepped into another world. Picture this. Sandy beaches, lush parkland, charming cottages, and the most incredible views of the city skyline. It's the perfect place to pack a picnic, rent a bike, or just relax by the water and soak up the sun. And the best part? The islands are car-free, so you can stroll, bike, or even rollerblade to your heart's content. Trust me, a visit to the Toronto Islands is a must-do for any visitor. Okay, let's talk about the best time to experience Toronto in all its glory. And for me, it's a toss-up between summer and early fall. From June to September, the city comes alive. Street festivals, outdoor patios, and sunshine galore. It's the perfect time to soak up the energy and enjoy the city's outdoor spaces. Early fall is equally magical. Think crisp air, colorful foliage, and cozy vibes. Plus, you'll catch the tail end of patio season, which is always a bonus. Now, winter in Toronto? Well, let's just say it's not for the faint of heart. But hey, if you're a fan of snowstorms and sub-zero temperatures, more power to you. Get ready to loosen those belts, folks, because Toronto is a foodie's paradise. And I'm not just talking about good food, I'm talking about mind-blowing, taste-bud-tantalizing culinary experiences from every corner of the globe. We're talking dim sum feasts in Chinatown, aromatic curries in Little India, juicy jerk chicken in Little Jamaica, and the most incredible Italian food this side of Rome. Seriously, the diversity of cuisine in this city is unmatched. So come hungry, my friends, and get ready to embark on a culinary adventure you won't soon forget. Okay, I know it's technically not in Toronto, but no trip to this part of Canada is complete without a visit to the majestic Niagara Falls. It's just a quick and easy 1.5-hour drive or bus ride away, and let me tell you, it's worth every minute. Now here's the thing, Niagara Falls is popular, like really, really popular. So if you want to experience the falls in all their misty glory without battling hordes of tourists, go early. Trust me, there's nothing quite like standing in awe of this natural wonder without having to fight for a view. Now, when it comes to accommodations, don't limit yourself to just downtown. Toronto has so many cool and unique neighborhoods to explore, each with its own distinct vibe. If you're all about that nightlife, then King West is calling your name. This is where you'll find all the trendy bars, clubs, and restaurants. For a more laid-back local experience, check out the Annex. It's known for its independent bookstores, cozy cafes, and vibrant student population. And if you're looking for something a little more off the beaten path, consider staying in neighborhoods like Leslieville, Riverside, or even venturing out to the Danforth. Listen, I'm not gonna sugarcoat it, Toronto weather can be a fickle beast. One minute it's sunshine and rainbows, the next you're caught in a torrential downpour. So, the key to staying comfortable and avoiding any fashion disasters is to pack layers. And I mean layers for all seasons. Even in the heat of summer, it's a good idea to have a light jacket or sweater on hand for those cooler evenings or unexpected bursts of rain. And in the winter, well, let's just say you'll want to channel your inner polar explorer. Toronto is a city that loves its sports and music, and there's no better way to experience the city's electric atmosphere than by catching a live game or concert. Head to the Rogers Centre to cheer on the Toronto Blue Jays, our beloved baseball team, or if hockey's your thing, grab some tickets to a Maple Leafs game at the Scotiabank Arena. And speaking of Scotiabank Arena, this place is a mecca for live music. From international superstars to up-and-coming indie bands, there's always something amazing on stage. Toronto has so much more than meets the eye. Whether you're here for food, art, nature, or city life, you'll find it all. Hopefully, this video has given you a taste of what this incredible city has to offer and inspires you to book that trip. From exploring diverse neighborhoods to indulging in culinary delights and embracing the city's vibrant energy, Toronto has something for everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to Voyager's Guide for more insider tips and hidden gems. See you in the 6th.